Hi, I am Emily, your kid reporter in the field. Today on Emily Investigates, we will investigate mother and baby animals. So come along with me as we see what new baby animals we have at the zoo this year. Oh, there they are! That is a mama kangaroo, and inside her pouch she has two little baby roos. Baby roos are called joeys. Kangaroos come from Australia. This is a koala, and this is her baby. A baby koala is also called a joey. And a koala is coincidentally also from Australia. I wonder if we will see any more joey babies. This is a giraffe, and this is her baby. A baby giraffe is called a calf. They both have really long necks. Wow! What other animals will we see? Zebra babies are called foals, like a horse. We saw a lot of animals today, including kangaroos, koalas, giraffes, zebras, and their babies. There are lots of baby animals at the zoo this year. You should come down and see the new baby animals. This is Emily, your kid reporter, coming to you from the zoo. See you next time.